One more thing I wanted to mention before you actually get started is our YouTube channel. This channel is where you're going to want to go after you finish 30 Days of Python to learn specifically Django so you can build web applications. We are going to also put other sorts of things on here that are related to code in general, including Python and Django. We're going to be building it based off of the feedback we get from you guys. So joincfe.com/YouTube is where you're going to want to head to do that. And we have a playlist in here specifically for coding with Python. There are some things in here that we don't cover in 30 Days of Python. So those might be worth checking out. And then a few other things, try Django 1.8. That's where you're going to want to start if you want to learn Django itself. And then if you want to learn AngularJS, you're going to want to go through the whole Try Django series. That is Try Django 1.8, 1.9, Advancing the Blog, and Blog API. Then you can jump into AngularJS. Or specifically try AngularJS. They are kind of independent of each other, but eventually do require to work with each other. So those are a couple things there. And then another thing I wanted to mention was if you go to joincfe.com/suggest, this is actually what's going to take you to our suggestion page that you can write suggestions for all sorts of projects, right? So any project or topic, if you have a suggestion, this is where you can do it. And we want to tell you this right off the bat because we want to make sure that it sticks with you. Now, it does require a free user account on joincfe.com or codingforentrepreneurs.com, basically. You do need a free account to at least add suggestions and upvote them and all that. But this is something that we want to have available for everybody because we build a lot of our content based off of the feedback that you guys get. Now, that content is a culmination of what you see in 30 Days of Python, but also in so many of our other projects. So that's some of the free stuff and the ways to interact with us. And of course, as we said in the Getting Help video, you're definitely going to want to check out our knock Q&A or our question and answer section to get more general questions answered about any sort of thing that we might be able to answer. So if it's something that's not relevant to us at all, then we probably can't answer it. But anything from coding to entrepreneurship to getting a job, all of those sorts of things are things that we cover and talk about in those Q&A sessions. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.